Right everyone, this video is way overdue. It's my Crosman dpms. Run over a few of the upgrades that I've done lately. Made a few changes since my last video. Added this new stock. It takes a lot of bloody work, you've got to grind it all out. It's not actually fit properly yet, but you know, it looks great. Better than the old crap. Got a little sling adapter. Just managed to fit it on. Works perfect. New handle, new grip, rubber, got a little cap, fit your tools in there, it's great. Cover me mag, because you know, weren't too good. Still got the EOTech and the flips, flip magnifier. Fit with these new iron sights, way better than the original, love them. Works perfect. Bit of blinding with the lights, because you know, they need that at some point. Thought I'd go for a double whack. They're both surefire. One's meant to go on a pistol, but it actually works great at the end of that barrel. A new grip. I've still got that on there. Bloody love it. Anyway people, sorry I wasn't very talkative, but that's me. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.